Hi everyone, today I will introduce to you the hardware PLC S7-1200. Let's get started. As you can see, it is a hardware PLC S7-1200 and I will explain all parts of PLC. The first part is cover. There are two covers in the PLC and the cover will protect the terminal. Next, I will explain the parameter of PLC. As you can see, there are a code is written in the PLC CPU 1215C DC. So what does this mean? I will explain the parameter. The first parameter is DC. The DC means the power supply is DC. So as you can see, there are 24-volt DC is written here. So the power supply is a DC power supply, and the next DC is input. And as you can see, the input power is 24-volt DC. So finally, the DC is output power supply, also DC 24-volt DC. This is a DC meaning. Next, I will explain detail about the power and input terminal. This is a power supply and you will supply the 24-volt into it. Next up, the power supply pin, you will also see the 24-volt output. The arrow is our output. So you can wire in the sensor or other device into the power supply, 24-volt. Next, this is the input terminal, and there are many pins in the input terminal. You can connect negative 24-volt to common pin 1A, and you can connect all the input device such as button or sensor into the input terminal. And next to input terminal is analog terminal. So if you want to calculate the temperature sensor or other analog device, you can use the terminal analog input and analog output. This is very useful. Next, I will introduce the Ethernet port. So you can connect this Ethernet port to PC or other device for communication. It's very useful. And finally, I will explain the output terminal. This output terminal, there are common pin and the output pin. Pay attention that only connect the DC voltage 24 voltage into the output terminal. Finally, I will explain the display lamp. As you can see, there are many LED in the PLC. So there are 3 LED display. This LED displays the error, run stop status. And this LED is displays the input and output status. It's very easy to understand. So today I will introduce to you the hardware PLC S7-1200. Thank you so much.